The state rested its case in the Hustle Mart murder trial early this afternoon. The defense will call its first witnesses on Monday. The suspected trigger man Antwan Anthony sat quietly as two co-defendants took the stand today to talk about what happened on April 1st, 2012.
WNCT's Allie Weatherton joins us from the newsroom with more on their testimony. Allie.
Two of Anthony's co-defendants, Xavier Shamble and Raquan Blunt, testified against Antwan Anthony this morning. The state says the two co-defendants aren't receiving any plea deal for testifying. Xavier Shamble told jurors what he remembers from that night in April of 2012. He says he, Raquan Blunt, Willie Whitehead, and Antwan Anthony were all hanging out at a friend's house when they wanted to get cash for weed. Shamble says Willie Whitehead was the main person in charge and everyone did what he wanted them to do. Shamble says Whitehead's plan was to rob a drug dealer in Greenville, but it didn't work out. While they were driving back to Farmville, they saw the Hustle Mart convenience store and decided to rob it. Shamble says it was Anthony's idea. He says Whitehead sat in the car while everyone else went in. Shamble and Raquan Blunt, who was only 14 at the time of the murders, say after they committed the crime, the men drove to Whitehead's sister's house to change clothes. Everyone agreed not to say a word to anyone about what happened. Shamble says he even wrote a letter to the victim's family, saying he was truly sorry for their loss and they didn't have the intent to kill them. Now, we weren't allowed to bring our cameras into the courtroom again today. Their three other suspects will head to trial after Anthony. Shamble and Whitehead could face the death penalty if convicted. Allie Weatherton, 9 on your side.